When you want to develop your soloing and improvisation, something that really helps is transcribing licks and solos from your favorite artists and also create your own licks. Today we're gonna see 3 rock licks based on the D minor pentatonic scale. Make sure to stick to this video till the end because the lick number 3 is a lick that I transcribed from a live solo of Matteo Zossato. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which lick is your favorite. So here's the lick number 1. So the idea behind this first lick is pretty simple. We are on the D minor pentatonic shape 1. We play the scale from the A string, playing a triplet with a hammer on. Then from the next note we play a descendant triplet with a pull off. We repeat the same pattern one string below and another string below, all in triplets. And then after that you play one note on the B string and then a bending on the B string to reach the root. So all together slowly it goes like. Now let's listen to the lick number 2. This second lick is still based on the D minor pentatonic shape 1 and it combines together 2 techniques. The string skipping, which means that you play 2 notes on the A string with a hammer on, you skip the D string and you play 2 notes on the G string, then you go back to the D string, 2 notes, skip the G, 2 notes on the B string. But also another technique which is the hybrid picking. So I'm playing the first string that I play with the pick, then I skip a string and I play with my finger on the right hand. So that I play pick, hammer on, then finger, hammer on, pick, hammer on, finger, hammer on. So slowly. And after that I play from the root note a descending quadruplet, so 4 notes of the scale, with a pull off on the second string, and then from the B string I repeat the same pattern with a pull off on the G string. And after that I play 2 more notes, one on the G string, the minor third, and then the root on the D string. So all together slowly. And now the final lick, which I transcribed from a live solo of Matteo Zossato on tour with Jessie J. The solo was originally in F sharp minor, so I moved the lick in the key of D minor for the sake of playing along to the same backing track. So this lick starts on the D string, playing all of the notes of the D minor pentatonic from there until the last note of the shape. I'm playing with the pick, playing all of the notes, so no legatos, no hammer-ons, and I'm also adding a little bit of palm muting. From here I go to the previous fret, which is going to be the major ninth, which is a note of the natural minor scale, and you play 6 notes using a hammer-on pull-off like that for the first 4, and then 2 more notes. From there you move to the B string and you play 4 notes, so a quadruplet with a pull off on the B string. Then the next note is a grace note to reach this 4th degree on the G string, pull off, root on the D string, and then minor third, final note on the G string. So again, after playing the 8th notes like hammer-ons, pull-offs, 4 notes descending, grace note, pull-off, root, minor third. Slowly. Again. And now a few tips on how to use these licks. make sure that you start from these licks and then you create your own variations, maybe some rhythmic variations, and you also try them in different keys or maybe in the same key by using different shapes of the scale. And you can also repeat some part of these licks if you like them to create some solos or themes, because at the end of the day, the licks are just the starting point for your creativity. If you want to create a library of the licks that you learn, make sure to take a note of the key and take a note of the scale and the shapes that you've been using. That's all for this lesson, guys. Let me know in the comments which lick was your favorite, and if you would like to see more lessons like this on licks and improvisation and what style should be next. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if it's your first time around, don't forget to subscribe. This was the Bearded Guitarist. Thanks for watching.